Hi everyone. Hello. Today we are going to see some database notebook trick here. So one is why we need to do the conversion like data frame to string and how to do the notebook cell skipping. So basically, these two things where we can use is, say for example, we have some huge computation of and many of the cells. So instead of doing all those, we need to initially check whether the data exists in that particular data frame or table, temporary view, or file data. So if data exists, then only we need to pass all the below cells, or else we need to skip all the below cells computation as well. So that cases we can use these particular tricks. So say for example, here I am going to create a data frame with the value as Arul, with the field name as name, and the name of the data frame I am mentioning here as name underscore df. I am running this as well as displaying the data as well as type. The data here you can see, and the type is here, the PySpark.SQL data frame thing. So currently, yeah, this is the one that I told. So if the value is Arul equal to, so equal to operator, and one equal to means it is assignment kind of thing. Then if Arul means you can pass this cell as well as all the below cells, but in else case, if it is failing means we need to exit from this particular notebooks, which we can achieve with help of dbutils.notebook.exit function. We can some comments, this is the whatever we can give here. So we can skipping the below command. So I'm running this now. This should ideally need to pass right, but here failing. Why? Because I am comparing the data frame with the string, which is which is taking the result as false, and so the else is working here. But how to convert the data frame to string? Because it is a string, so we can compare easily, right? So from converting that data frame to string, we need to use this to local iterator function. Local iterator, it is a camel case, so L and I as well as capital. Two local iterator function we can use like this way. For row, every row, that means, so for row in name data frame, which is our name of the data frame, dot rdd dot to local iterator function with a colon, then with the indentation we can create one new variable and assign that variable as a row within a square bracket the name. Here the name is the field type or column name, you can say, of the data frame. So I'm running the statement. That is done. So I'm running the value of that name str. You can see Harul, and the type also you can see here, which is string. So this I can run the condition again. This time it is passed because instead of data frame, I am passing the string value of it. So string checks with the string, so it is passing that. So say some other cases we have only a data frame thing. So not we can able to convert to string and all. So that case also need to work and how to check. So here I am creating a temporary view. This is for a easy understanding and check conditions and all, because I want to show you both the success and failure cases. So I created a temporary view. How we can create the temporary view? Simply create a replace temporary view with that particular any name, and we can give alias name as then with the select whatever we can give. So I am creating a temporary view here. I am running the, yeah. So I am selecting select one, which here I am trying to convey that some data exists and storing that as count data frame. Yeah, I am checking the same kind of condition. This time I am checking with whether that data frames count dot count function equal to 1. So at least some data is there, like that I am checking here. So which is passing. So success case works fine. And for failure case, we need to fail, right? So I am voluntarily doing this particular select statement where one not, I mean, equal to 0. So I am trying to fail this particular case and not assigning anything to count data frame now. So in this case, there is no count, right? So it needs to fail. So yeah, it's failed. So these are the two tricks I want to convey. One is how to do the data frame to string conversion and checking the condition, and while checking the condition, how to pass and how to skip the below cells based on the conditions. Thanks.